Hey Eagles, this is Mr. Weaver. I'm going to try to record this. Just want to make it as easy as we can. We're really trying to put things together, make it easy for the first few days. Just make sure you can log in, and communicate, whether it's with each other or, with us. If you have any questions, please send an email, send a text. I got a cell phone number that I have in all my emails. And you can pass it to your parents too. The goal is for you guys to get comfortable with this and to do your best. So what I want to start with is where to find everything. And I think most of you know this, but anyway, if you click on the home button up here on the top left, that's going to bring you to this. And this is where it's going to look familiar. Now you have access to all this stuff, whereas before you couldn't. In some of it. And really a lot of companies are expanding because they really want you to have a good experience. I'm excited at the opportunities we might learn, and I really think this is going to be a game-changing opportunity. For some of you that have been thinking there's got to be a different way to learn, well, this is that opportunity. If you click on middle school resources here, Overdrive, find books that you're interested in. Look through here, find them. There's so many opportunities right here that you can go to. You don't have to go to the library. Scroll down a little bit further, and right here is a treasure trove. If you're in Math 180, click on here. Make sure that you are not Googling it. Go through the learning portal. It'll save a lot of emails if you go to this spot first, okay? Down lower, Dreambox. Again, don't Google it. Please go down here to the box. It says Carl Ben Eielson. You're still a Carl Ben Eielson student, so click on Carl Ben Eielson and then you log in from there. To the right, it's Khan Academy. It's not spelled right, but it's still the right spot. So this is where you're going to find your information. Please take a few minutes, log in, play around with it a little bit. If you're in Math 180, you know the routine. I saw some of you have been flying. You're almost done with the whole program. I mean, that's awesome. You don't even need me for some of this. And it's humbling, but at the same time, how awesome is that? You guys have this incredible opportunity to learn on your own. I miss you guys incredibly, and I really hope that this turns into a great opportunity for you to see just what you can do. So please contact me if you need anything. If there's anything else going on you need help with, you reach out and let me know. My cell phone number is listed in my emails. Please, again, I can't always take calls because I might be in a meeting or taking care of something else too. I still have my 5 kids at home, and I know they're missing their friends. They miss school too, but we're making the best of it. So hopefully you can too. Again, text me, call, email. Get a hold of me. Let me know if there's anything you need. Next week, we're going to really hit the ground running. And Monday, we want everyone to be able to connect. And if you're keeping in touch with anybody that's having a tough time, let us know. That's what we're here for. If anyone's missing their devices, go to school, call in, walk in, do what you got to do. But, get your devices. Get it out. And if you don't have internet, we can set you up with that too. So please reach out. If there's any block right now that's keeping you from getting what you need, let us know, because everyone's on your side right now trying to make this a good experience. So again, miss you guys incredibly. Please reach out and let me know if you need anything, okay?